TV.
Once there was a poor man. He had 3 sons. The oldest son got a mill. The middle son got a donkey. The youngest son got a cat. The boy was sad. "Oh no, only a cat," he said, but the cat was special. He wore shiny boots. "I can help you," said the cat. "Give me a bag." The boy gave him a bag. Puss in Boots went to the forest. He caught rabbits and birds. He gave them to the king. "These are from my master," he said. The king liked the gifts. He wanted to meet the boy. One day, Puss saw a big ogre. The ogre turned into a mouse. Puss jumped and caught him. Snap! Now the castle was free. The king thought the boy owned the castle. He was very happy. The king gave the boy his daughter. The boy became a prince. Puss in Boots lived in the castle too. He chased mice and smiled. Moral of the story: be smart and brave. Clever ideas can change everything.